Okay, we've got Allstar 3 loaded. I had to wait about 2 minutes and it did kick in using my Allstar 3.local that we added in the setup process. So we're communicating via Wi-Fi at the moment and we get this screen. So now we just need to add our node number and details so we can actually start using this device. First thing we're going to do is click here where it says Web Admin Portal, like so. And we need to log in with the password that we created at the beginning. And we've only just installed this. It's all up to date. You can update it, but I'm not going to do it now. So we need to get administrative access. I click here and it starts off like this. Okay. Turn on administrative access. So you click it and you're in there. Okay. Now we want to go down to terminal and there's lots of things we can look at here, but I just want to dive straight in. Terminal so we can start to configure our node settings. So it opens up a terminal window. We're going to type here and you'll use this quite a lot, so you write it down. I would sudo space ASL Alpha Sierra Lima, flat line in the middle and then menu, enter, and you get to this page here. And we're going to hit number 1 on my keyboard. Now we have to select it. So we go up and down, and then we have to go enter to number 1. Allstar node setup, enter again. Start to add our node numbers. So the node number I'm going to use is 5, and it is registered with Allstar, of course. You do need a ham call sign, 539 018, and then click enter. Now it wants the password. So when you register your node number, and I'll make a separate video on that, basically there's a password. Each number has a password and you hover above. I'm not going to do it because above where the mouse is now, you hover and it gives you the password that you can copy and paste. And here's my node 539.018, and notice that at the moment it's saying not registered. My other one is, because it's turned on and it's active. So we're going to just do that next. Passwords in, then hit OK. So now it takes us to this page. I'm going to go with number 1 and hit enter. Half duplex node hotspot. I mean, there's lots of different nodes and hotspots and things, so I'm just going to choose number 1. And simple USB and USB radio choice here. I'm just going to go with 1. Call sign, so that's M0FXB. Click OK. Asterisk must be restarted before you can tune this interface. Restart asterisk now. And I'm going to go yes. Give that a minute. So in this window, we're going to hit number 1. And then enter. And then it's going to ask us to select the device, which is number 1. You can see my node number 1 there. Number 1, enter. Okay. Now, different nodes, different settings, but the crucial one is I. If we just go I and then enter. Now, different nodes, like I said, are different. So the most popular setting here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there on the left, is I would say number 3, but it might not be. Yeah, so just for now, because if you'll find when you configure your node, if it goes into permanent transmit, you've selected the wrong one. So, but that's okay. This is just for everyone. Yeah, enter, and we've set that okay. Now we'll do J, okay, which is change CT/CSS from currently it's USB invert. So we're going to go J. Enter, and you can go back in and redo this if it's wrong. There you are. And we're just going to select, for now, number 2. We're going to select, go to, enter. Here you go. So now when you go to V, now we select V. This is where you set your audio. So we go V. Now I haven't got my node connected, not properly anyway. Blah blah. And you know, I have plugged in my USB device here, but it's not properly configured. So 1 2 test test 1 2 test test 1 2 test test. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to do anything, but just I did hear some beeps there. Let me try again. Yeah, it actually did beep. Let me put it on camera. So here's my node box by G1LRO, the UC120. Effectively, it's got a CMOS in there, like a sound card. That's designed to interact with Allstar. We've got a microphone here, the Alinco EMS57 here. There's a USB cable that goes from the Raspberry Pi, first of all, to power, but then it comes out from the second connector into this box. It powers the box and also interacts. So when your settings on I, J, and V are correct, and you do your audio settings, you can start using it as a normal node. So I haven't fully set it up, but let's just very quickly just show you that when I key 1 2 test 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 1 2 test. And you hear it beeps, but it's not connected to anything because I need to configure it. So if we just key, I'm just seeing if the DTMR. Yeah, that's worked. So all I did then. Just sort of walking about, but absolutely solid in the moment. No, I take T320. So that's ASL3. And it's completely being received, you know, by my black box, the Pi 2 with ASL3. Now in the background, you'll see I've got this color screen, which you can. I'll do a separate video on that. If I just try and zoom into it, it's connected straight to the Raspberry Pi that's running ASL3. Cables in the way. It's got my IP address there. I'm going to configure it, change this so it actually shows the node number of the person talking, etc. It's just G1LRO has provided the upload for this screen for free. You buy the screens, they're about £6. I'll put the link in. So far we're having some I think some pretty good success with that. And let me just show you Mark's page with the node that he's building that you'll be able to buy complete. So this is Mark's page here, look, and look, you've got the screen built in, everything's built in there. And the process, if you've got a Raspberry Pi and you want to add your screen, and then and configure it, and can you see there, the part that I've missed, this bit here, it's called favorites file. The favorites file is a simple text file with your node number and up to 6 of your most commonly used nodes. Then they'll show up on the screen, look, and there it is there, how you do it. You go nano favorites text, and I haven't done it yet. I want to tinker with it. Navigation buttons there as well for the color screen. It says A button moves around the screen to select things. Bottom button B acts as selection. Enter the favorites menu by pressing the B, and so on. And then there's a video here that Mark has made as well. So okay, I think that's enough for this video, but I'm completely happy, and of course I'll be doing more videos. And when Mark's has the availability of that all-in-one node ready to go, yeah, I'll be first to test it. Bye for now.